Why is Capital paint protection film trusted by so many Tesla owners to protect their new car? Well, it's because of him.
Hi, I'm Norm Schilling. I have been personally installing paint protection film for over 20 years. I specialize in custom installations for more invisible results.
So let's show you what that means. He's actually modified the cutout area of the camera to tuck in tightly and more invisibly without the added risk of removing the cameras.
Also, on this Model Y, we removed this plastic trim piece so that the film can come along and tuck under it. That way you don't see an edge there.
Everywhere that he can, he wraps the edges. Everywhere that he can't wrap the edges, they're very tight. He also removes the emblem for a cutout-free install on the hood and then puts the emblem back on top. And most importantly, on the bumper, most shops use pre-cut kits because they're a lot faster, and they have up to 4 seams, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Norm installs it in one piece with no seams.
If you're thinking of changing the look of your car with matte or stealth film, we specialize in doing that also.
So call Capital Paint Protection Film today, where the difference is in the details.